So in this video, you'll learn how to screen mirror your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 to any smart TV. Now the first step when it comes to mirroring your flip phone to your smart TV is to ensure that both the flip and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, what you're going to do is just start by opening the Wi-Fi settings on your smart TV. And then once you've opened up the Wi-Fi settings, you want to ensure that the same network your TV is connected to is the same network your phone is currently connected to. So let's just go ahead and confirm that. So we'll just go to settings, connections, Wi-Fi, and you can see they're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, Tender Gaming Room. Now, once you've done that, you can then just go back to the home screen of your TV. And then from here, you want to just navigate to the quick settings panel on your flip. So just swipe down for quick settings. And then once you're in quick settings, you should see this option, Smart View. So you're going to go ahead and tap on it once. And then if it's your first time, it will take you through the process of the setup. So just go ahead and continue. Then from here, because they're connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network, your TV will be detected. So what you're going to do is just tap on your TV name to start the connection process. And then it will ask you how you want it viewed. So you have two options. You have full screen and multi-view. Bear in mind that if you do make your choice now, you'll still be able to change it later. Once you've made your choice of how you want it to be viewed, you're then going to just tap on Start Now and wait for it to be ready. You'll be sent a prompt to enter in a PIN, and the PIN will appear on the TV that you're attempting to connect to. So just wait a few moments as the PIN appears on your TV screen. And then once it's appeared, just confirm the connection by typing in the same PIN that you're seeing on your screen. And then select Connect and wait for them to be connected. Once they've been connected, you can now see any motions that I'm doing on my Z Flip 7 are being applied to the smart TV, which means I've successfully mirrored them. If you want to change how the view looks like, if you want to switch from full screen to multi-view, then what you're going to do is just tap on this screen mirror tool right here. And then once you've selected it, you have multi-view. So just tap on the toggle to enable it, and then you can switch from full screen to multi-view. So if you have something that's currently connected to your other HDMI port, like for example my Xbox, then I'll have been able to see it right here on the left-hand side. If you want to change how the multi-view window looks like, you can always just come to multi-view controls, and then you can switch from picture in picture, or you can even choose a select screen and you can just manipulate them and move them around to your liking. If you want to end the screen mirroring, then what you're going to do is just simply select the option disconnect, and once you've done that, the screen mirroring feature will be disabled. And so that is how you can screen mirror your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 to your smart TV. If you have any questions or comments about this process that you'd like answered, feel free to leave them down below, and we'll see you in the next video.